Ball right now. He's going to have a flat tire.
Charlie 6, still on 110 over traffic. We're continuing on Ashford Dunwoody.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Purple Cup again with another video, man. You already know to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Go ahead and show some love, man. We are in Sandy Springs. Look, man, let me tell you something. When you drive a Dodge Charger, Challenger, I mean, those cars you already know, cops always have their eyes on them. And being in Atlanta, you know, near Atlanta, all that stuff goes around a lot. I mean, stolen vehicles all the time. If you're going to steal a whip, don't be in no goddamn parking lot. Chilling. Especially at night, looking suspicious as hell. Okay? We got this guy in the parking lot. Cop reads the plates. Plates are not coming back to the vehicle. Okay? By the way, you got to show love to City Boys for this video. This is actually this month of June that this actually happened on the 5th. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all enjoy it. My voice is going away. I'm going to go ahead and let y'all enjoy this video and catch y'all at the end, man.
He's fleeing. He's fleeing.
Travel.
Eastbound into Dunwoody. Let him know.
So 61 check down, go ahead and let Dunwoody know. Get the car.
It's fine, it's all I need a description of it.
Red, black, white, Challenger. Don't call it.
Southbound on Ashford Dunwoody coming up to the. We're right in front of the mall right now. He's going to have a flat tire.
Charlie 6, still on 110 over traffic. We're continuing on Ashford Dunwoody. 61 and 62 confirming your pursuit.
Please try.
Hey, from I have 62s with him. We're continuing southbound on Ashford Dunwoody. Coming up to Hammond.
Taking to it.
62, who do you have with you? I got myself in 66. We're getting on to 285 westbound. Code 61 check down. Go ahead and notify GSP. Also, let Cobb County know that we're going to be coming their way. In the 400 split. Speed's 90. Medium traffic.
Northbound, speed's 120.
Let's get someone up in Northridge so we can get them up there quick enough. Notify Roswell as well. Northridge. And yes, confirming 400 northbound. Speeds are over 100. Traffic's medium. Setting up for a bit. Go ahead, boys, I'm with you. Good pay, right before Avenue.
God dang it, you got me. Put your hands up now! Put your hands up now! Put them up! Put them up! Move! Left hand on the door! Open it! Open it now! Open it now! Show me your hands! Outside of the door! Grab the outside! Open it! Do not move until I tell you. Open that door with that one hand. Get out of the car slow. Keep those hands up. Hands up. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Do my seatbelt.
Right hand slow. 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 Undo that seatbelt. Right back up with that right. Get that hand up. Get out now. Yep, you got hands. Get out now. Get out. Hands up. Hands up. Hands on top of your head. Face away from me. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Go ahead, Chase, take it.
Back up to me. Back up to me. Back up. Face away from me.
We got 2 occupants.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Passenger, listen to me.
252.
Passenger, open your door and get out of the car.
Not command for passenger. We got a driver in custody.
Okay, that's fine. Passenger, open your door. It won't open? Okay, see if you can crawl out on that side.
One if I'm coming up behind you to your left.
Okay, keep your hands up. We're going to come to you.
I'll go hands on.
Okay, we're going to come to her. She's being cooperative. Okay.
You get her out, I'll go hands.
All right, doors. Hold on.
Okay.
Yep.
Come in, out. Out, she has to do that.
Yeah, okay.
Out.
We know you didn't. You're just being detained right now, okay?
I'm going to walk her back.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Go ahead and show some love. Go ahead and give me a like. Appreciate it. If you made it this far, y'all go ahead and show some love to City Boys as well. I'm going to put his link underneath. I said it before and I say it again. And remember, I don't condone any of y'all running from the laws, street racing, doing any illegal activities. Man. So anyways, I mean, like I said, these cars are a target all the time. It don't matter if you're driving correctly like me sometimes. I mean, I'm just cruising and I get pulled over every once in a while. It fucking sucks. I mean, but it is what it is. I mean, so you chilling in an empty ass parking lot, cop rolls by, he's like, what's that car doing? Wide body, beautiful car, runs the plates, doesn't match the vehicle, and I think he was outside and he jumped in the car. When the cops were about to ask him a question, he takes off, and that's pretty much what y'all seen on that part. I mean, old dude, you can't step on that thing, man. You can't drive that thing, man. Just go ahead and pull over. You should have took the fucking L in the beginning. I mean, you shouldn't have took off. I mean, now you done racked up more fucking charges on your ass, and you're gonna spend more time in the pen, you know. And honestly, low-key, you kind of deserve that shit, because I don't like people that like to steal vehicles. Any vehicle. Like, it could be a Camaro, Mustang, Charger. Just because it's Charger, I'm saying that, but any vehicle in general, I don't like anybody doing that, because people work hard for their shit. Okay, that's plain and simple. So I hope when you do get out, you get your shit together, bro. You know what I'm saying? People work hard. Like the owner, he's gonna get that vehicle back. Total loss. I mean, you seen what happened. I mean, fucking sucks. I mean, good thing he gets it back and he has full coverage. Hope so, right? I mean, hopefully he'll get a newer vehicle. I mean, but wide body, man. I love them. I love wide bodies. I have a slim body. You know what I'm saying? Either way, y'all make sure y'all show some love. I appreciate it again, and I'll catch y'all on the next video, man.